Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about use of as soon as and use of no sooner than, and what is the difference between as soon as and no sooner than. Okay, so the meaning of as soon as and no sooner than is similar. The Hindi meaning of as soon as and no sooner than ज्यों ही या जैसे ही. Okay, so first see the example number 1. As soon as I show him, he hid. That means जैसे ही मैंने उसे देखा वह छुप गया. Now we change it to no sooner. Remember, when we use as soon as, we use two sentences and add that with comma. Like as soon as I show him, comma, he hid. But when we change it into no sooner, at that time we use helping verb. You can see here, as soon as I show him, I show him. Okay, so on the basis of this sentence I show him, here we use helping verb did. No sooner did I see him than he hid. So when we start our second sentence, before that we put here then. Okay, second sentence, as soon as I reach the station, the rain started. Now we change it to no sooner. Remember, when we use no sooner, we use here with the no sooner with the helping verb. No sooner did I reach the station, the rain started. So the structure of no sooner here, you can see, no sooner if the sentence starting with had. Okay, at that time we use third form of verb with subject, and the sentence starting with did, at that time we use first form of verb and do does. So that here we also use first form of verb on the basis of do, does, did. Okay, so this is the structure of no sooner. Now see the more examples. Here is the sentence, he had reached the station, the train departed. Okay, he had reached the station, the train departed. Two different sentences here. Now we add it with no sooner than. So see how we add or conjunct this sentence. No sooner had he reached the station than the train departed. No sooner had I reached than Tina came. Next example, no sooner had Ramlila started than the electricity went off. The Hindi meaning of this sentence, जैसे ही रामलीला शुरू हुई वैसे ही बिजली चली गई. Okay, and the second sentence, the meaning of second sentence in Hindi, no sooner had I reached than the Tina came. That means जैसे ही मैं पहुंचा वैसे टीना आ गई. Okay, so this is the example of no sooner. You can also see here we conjunct here two different sentences with no sooner and then. Remember, when we use no sooner, we also put there then. Okay, so the next example, no sooner did I finish my studies than I got a good job. Next example, no sooner does my sister arrive than she begin to cook. Now here is the example of as soon as and the structure of as soon as. Okay, in as soon as we do not use a conjunction then. We use as soon as, and both sentence we conjunct it with comma. Okay, as soon as plus first sentence, then comma, and then second sentence. Now how can we change no sooner examples in as soon as? You can see here, No sooner did a teacher come then boys stood up. That means जैसे ही टीचर आए boys खड़े हो गए. Okay. As soon as a teacher came, comma, boys stood up. So remember, in no sooner we use helping verb did. Okay, on the basis of tense. Here we use do. Okay, and here we use does. Okay, so with no sooner we use helping verb before subject, but in as soon as we do not use helping verb, we write sentence directly. As soon as a teacher came, comma, boys stood up. Okay,